Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Jake and Emma,
Today, we're talking about money and budgeting.
which means Jake is already stressed.
I'm not stressed. I'm, let's say, financially cautious.
I'm thinking it's more like financially lost.
Very funny.
Let's start with prices. To ask how much something costs, you can say, "How much is this?" Or, "How much does it cost?"
And to answer, you can say, it's $10, or it costs $25. But I'll cut you a deal and let you have it for $30.
Okay, I have to ask. What's the most expensive thing you've bought recently?
Well, I bought a giant bag of gummy bears.
Oh boy, how much did that cost?
More than I'm willing to admit. They were extra fancy gummy bears, and it was a giant bag.
But I bet it wasn't giant enough that you had any left after a couple hours. Am I right?
Yep, you nailed it.
When you pay for something, you can say, "I paid in cash," "I paid by card," or "I paid online."
Or, my favorite, I paid emotionally.
Okay, no, that's not an acceptable payment method.
It should be.
You can also say, "I need to pay the bill," "I need to pay rent," or "I need to pay my credit card."
I need to pay all those things.
Aw, you'll be fine.
Is that an offer to lend me a few bucks to tide me over?
I take it back. You probably won't be fine.
A budget is a plan for how you spend your money. You can say, "I'm on a budget," "I'm trying to save money," or "I'm cutting back on expenses."
Did you know that I've started living on a budget?
Really?
Yep. I only make completely irresponsible impulse purchases of things I absolutely don't need on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes on Sunday.
Come on, seriously? That's a total nonsense way to handle a budget.
It's a system.
To talk about saving money, you can say, "I'm saving up for something," "I'm trying to save money," or "I put money into savings every month."
I'm saving up too.
That's great, Jake. What for?
I'm saving up for a backup wallet,
Why do you need a backup wallet?
in case my first one gets too empty.
Of course. Bills are things you have to pay regularly. You can say, "I have to pay my phone bill," "My electricity bill is high," or "I need to lower my expenses."
Yeah, my electricity bill is high. Sky high.
I'm afraid to ask, but why is your electricity bill sky high, Jake?
Remember the big fluffy couch I found on the side of the road and brought home?
The one with all the rips and the funny smell? Yes, I remember it.
So I had to remove my front door to get the couch inside.
Uh-huh.
I couldn't figure out how to reattach the door,
Oh boy.
and now the air conditioner is always running full blast because all the cold air keeps escaping.
Say no more. Makes perfect sense. A financial responsibility is something you're required to pay or manage.
If you don't pay it, they could lock you up and throw away the key.
Really, Jake? Really?
Well, probably. Or at least, maybe.
You, my friend, should probably be locked up. But for completely different reasons. Let's practice a simple conversation about money. How much is this?
That costs $15.
I'm trying to save money.
I'm on a budget too.
I need to pay my bills.
Same here, and unfortunately, all of them. Every month.
Yes, Jake, that's how bills work.
And now for a special presentation, Jake's top 3 money tips.
Oh no. Let's hear it.
1. If something sounds expensive, walk away.
But do you follow your own advice? I don't think so.
2. Never shop when you're hungry.
Actually, that's a good one.
And 3. If something is on sale, buy 2 of them.
Dude, that's the opposite of saving money.
But it feels like saving.
Jake, your feelings are not a financial plan. Nice job following along. Now you can talk about money and budgeting in clear, natural English. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Unless I accidentally blow my whole budget again.
Jake, like I said, they're not gonna lock you up for that.
Okay, then I will see you next time.
Good boy.